Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop OneSec app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this ad blocker app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, just go to OneSec app and long press on it to access its app info page. As you can see, here is app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access OneSec app info page. Alternatively, you can get to this page by just going to settings and then go down to apps. From apps, look for manage apps or all apps depending on your version. And here, search for your app. So I'll just search for OneSec like that. And if I tap on it, here we are on the app info page. First, go to permissions, and from permission section, you should see notifications. With this turned on, you can see if I tap on it, we have so many types of notifications turned on. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive notifications from OneSec app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.